If you are in Rippy yoga teacher training, either currently self-study student or past graduate or trainee of any of our trainings, I wanted to invite you to this incredible opportunity. This Friday, we start in-person yoga immersion. And it's a great way for you to get re-inspired, reconnected to the magic of yoga. Every day we'll have a sweaty yoga practice. We'll have a meditation, a personal growth element that is very experiential. Every day we'll have hands-on assist, teaching and receiving in the moment feedback. This experience, whether you join us for the entire immersion that starts on Friday night and ends on Tuesday at noon, or you just drop in for a day pass, this is a great opportunity for you to get re-inspired, to finish your certification, get your Yoga Alliance continuing education hours. And also, if you are in our 300-hour advanced teacher training, these hours will count towards your mandatory hours. I hope you all join us. This is a great opportunity not only for you to hone and strengthen and expand your skills as a masterful, powerful yoga teacher, but you know that these incredible yoga tools will help you improve every aspect of your life. What fascinates me the most is that the more I grow and expand and learn to know myself and change some aspect of myself, the more I get to manifest a life truly beyond my wildest dreams. And it is a yogic skill that yogis call siddhi, a skill to shape your destiny and manifest the life that you're yearning for. I hope you will join us. Join us for the entire immersion, or pop in for a day. Day passes are available, or come and practice with us, just a yoga class. Roger Rippy will make a surprise guest visit. He will teach the Saturday afternoon yoga teacher training session, and also on Sunday morning at 9:30, he will lead a yoga class that is open to the public. The training will take place at Yoga Together in Houston, September 13th through the 17th. I hope you will join us. Please reach out if you have any questions. And Roger and I really look forward to being with you in person. We miss you. We love you. We'll look forward to reconnecting with you. Hope to see you there.